Let's learn My Dancing Feet. It's choreographed by Whitehouse and Jannie Tofte Stoian. It is a 32 count, 4-wall intermediate level line dance with no tags and no restarts. I'm going to turn around and break down the dance section by section using steps and counts. We'll then practice the front wall all the way through with steps and counts, talk about the ending, and then we're going to go through and do 4 walls of the dance so that you know how it flows, so you can hopefully dance this on a dance floor near you. So let's turn around and learn My Dancing Feet. Section 1, your weight's going to start on your right foot. We're going to step back with our left, and as we step back with our left, you're going to sweep your right from front to back. You're now going to step back with your right, and as you step back, you're going to sweep your left from front to back. You're now going to cross your left behind your right, step your right foot to the right side, cross your left over your right. We're going to do a scissor step, quickly stepping our right foot to the right side. You're going to bring your left foot in and next to your right, taking weight onto your left foot, and then cross your right over your left. You're now going to make a quarter turn over your right shoulder, stepping back with your left foot to face 3 o'clock. And then you're going to make a quarter turn over your right shoulder, stepping your right foot to the right side to face 6 o'clock, and cross your left over your right. So let's try that with some counts. Weights on your right, you're stepping back with your left. 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 5, 6, 7, and 8. Section 2, you're going to step your right foot to the right side, and as you do, you're going to start a hip roll counterclockwise, so traveling from left to right. So you're going to step to the right, and you're going to roll your hips to the back from left to right and bump your left hip. You're now going to do a hip roll quarter turn. You're going to do your hips clockwise or from right to left. You're going to roll your hips to the back, making a quarter turn over your right shoulder, putting your weight onto your left foot. You're now facing 9 o'clock. You're going to do a low kick forward with your right, step your right next to your left, and step forward with your left. As you step, you're going to sweep a quarter turn, turning over your left shoulder, sweeping your right from back to front to face 6 o'clock and cross your right over your left. You're now going to step your left foot to the left side, and as you step to the left side, you're going to lift your right toes up, keeping your heel on the floor, and you're going to grind your heel, staying at this wall with your toes from left to right. You're now going to quickly drag your right toe into your left, and then you're going to step your right foot to the right side, and you're going to grind your left heel from right to left, and weight will be on your right foot. So let's try that with some counts. We would have just finished our cross. You're going to step to the side and roll your hips. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, and 8. Section 3, we're going to do a syncopated weave traveling to the right. So we're going to cross our left behind our right, step your right foot to the right side, cross your left over your right. You're going to step your right foot to the right side. Now you're going to cross your left behind your right, and as you cross behind, you're going to sweep your right from front to back. You're now going to cross your right behind your left, and as you cross behind, you're going to pop your left knee forward. You're now going to do a quarter turning shuffle. You're going to make a quarter turn over your left shoulder, stepping forward with your left foot, bring your right foot in and next to your left, and then step forward with your left. You'll be facing 3 o'clock. We're now going to do a half turning tick-tock step. So we're going to step forward with our right. You're going to make a quarter turn over your left shoulder as you swivel your left heel into the right. You're now facing 12 o'clock. You're going to make another quarter turn over your left shoulder as you swivel your right heel to the right, taking weight onto your right foot to face 9 o'clock. So let's try that with some counts. We would have just done our heel grind with the left. You're going to do your syncopated weave. 1 and 2 and 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. Section 4 in our final section of the dance. We're going to do syncopated back touches. So you're going to step back with your left and touch your right next to your left. You're going to step back with your right and touch your left next to your right. You're now going to do a left coaster step, stepping left back, right together, left forward. We're now going to do a sweep around into a hitch up. So you're going to take your right toe, you're going to drag it around on the floor, going from front around to the back, making a full circle, and then you're going to hitch your right knee up, coming up on the ball of your left foot. You're now going to step forward with your right, step forward with your left, and make a half pivot over your right shoulder, putting your weight onto your right foot to face 3 o'clock. When we go to start the dance all over again, you're going to make an additional half turn, turning over your right shoulder as you step back with your left and sweep your right for 1, and that will be the beginning of your dance. So let's try that last part with some counts. We would have just done our TikTok step weights on your right. You're stepping back, and 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and then you're ready to step back, making that half turn over your right shoulder, stepping back with your left for 1, 2, and you will continue the dance on for the next wall. So now let's face the front. We're going to do a 1 time through with steps, 1 time through with counts. Weight is on your right foot, you're stepping back and sweeping. Back sweep, behind, side, cross, side together, cross, quarter, quarter, cross. Hip roll, quarter hip roll, kickball step, quarter sweep, cross. Now your right heel grind, touch left heel grind. Syncopated weave, behind, side, cross, side, behind, sweep, behind, pop, quarter shuffle, step, quarter, quarter. Back touch, coaster, step, sweep, around in a hitch, step, step, half, back sweep to start the dance all over again. Let's try it with some counts, weights on your right foot, stepping back with your left. 1, 2, 3 and 4 and 5, 6, 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, 6, 7 and 8. 1 and 2 and 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8, and 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1 to start the dance all over again. So now let's talk about the ending. Your ending will happen facing the front wall. You're going to change your steps slightly so that when we do our hip roll and our hip roll quarter turn, instead of doing your kickball sweep quarter turn, we're just going to do a kickball sweep cross, staying at this wall. So your final wall will be facing 3 o'clock. You're going to dance the first 11 counts of the dance, which is up to both hip rolls with your quarter turn. So let's dance up to that part, and then we'll talk about how you change those steps to stay at the wall. Weights on your right, you're going to step back with your left and sweep. So it's back, sweep, behind, side, cross, side together, cross, quarter, quarter, cross. Now we're going to do our hip roll and our hip roll quarter turn. You're now at 12 o'clock. Normally we would do a kickball step sweep quarter turn. We're going to change it to just a kickball step sweep. So we're going to kick that right foot low and forward, step your right next to your left, and then step forward with your left and sweep your right from back to front. You're now going to cross your right over your left, and then we're going to do those heel grinds that we've done normally. We're just going to stay at this wall while we do it. So you're going to step your left foot to the left side, grind your right heel. Quickly bring that right toe into your left, step your right foot to the right side and grind your left heel, and that will be the end of the dance. So now let's go around. We're going to do 4 walls of the dance. So on the front and back walls, I'm going to do steps. Side walls, we're going to do counts. Weight is on your right foot. You're going to step back with your left. Back sweep, behind, side, cross, side together. Cross, quarter, quarter, cross. Roll hip. Now a quarter, roll your hip. Kickball step, quarter sweep. Cross, heel grind, touch, heel grind. Behind, side, cross, side, behind, sweep, back, pop, quarter shuffle, step, quarter, quarter, back, touch, coaster, step, sweep around with a hitch, step, step, half, make your half turn, stepping back, 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 5, 6, 7, and 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, and 8, 1, and 2, and 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7, and 8, and 1, and 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and back sweep, making your half turn, back sweep, behind, side, cross, side together, cross, quarter, quarter, cross. Now your hip roll, quarter hip roll, kickball step, quarter sweep, cross, heel heel grind, touch, heel grind. Behind, side, cross, side, behind, sweep, back, pop, quarter shuffle, step, quarter, quarter, back, touch, coaster with a sweep around in your hitch, step, step, half, make your half turn, stepping back, 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 5, 6, 7, and 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, and 8, 1, and 2, and 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7, and 8, and 1, and 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1. And then you'll keep dancing until your final wall, which is wall 8, where you change those steps slightly so you don't make the quarter turn, but you dance the rest of the dance through up until those heel grinds. Now that you've practiced with the tutorial, you can use the timestamp in the video description below to skip to the rear demo so that you can practice as much as you would like, so you can go out and rock this on a dance floor near you. I hope this helped you learn my dancing feet. If you have any questions, let me know. Thanks, guys.